Everyone thinks the best-selling spark plug wires for Harley Davidson are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Tons Performance Red 10 Wires. First up, we have the Tons Performance Red 10 Spark Plug Wires. Priced at $25.20, these wires caught my eye with their bold red color and promise of durability. If you want reliable ignition for your Harley Davidson Big Twin, this is worth a serious look. Now, these wires feature a spiral wound suppression core, which is crucial for reducing electrical interference. This means your engine runs smoother and you get better fuel efficiency. Plus, with 90-degree plug boots, installation is pretty straightforward. They're heat-resistant too, which is a big deal for those hot bike rides. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're cruising on a summer day or hitting the highway, you don't want your wires to falter due to heat. However, some users have mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Now, some people complained about this lack of clarity, but here's the thing, if you've done any DIY work on your bike, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. You can figure it out with a bit of patience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid replacement for your Harley Big Twin without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a wire that comes with a detailed installation guide and are not comfortable figuring it out on your own. Now, if the lack of clear instructions bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 8-cylinder 10-point form spark plug wires. Next, we have the 8-cylinder 10-point form spark plug wires. At $21.46, they are slightly cheaper but still caught my attention due to their compatibility with a wide range of Harley models. If you want a strong ignition system for your Dina or Softail, this is worth considering. These spark plug wires are made of high-quality rubber material designed to work well in extreme temperatures. The 10-point form size ensures good electrical conductivity, which means more reliable sparking. Here's why this matters for you. A consistent spark is essential for a smooth start and better performance. If your bike has been struggling to start, worn-out wires could be the culprit, and replacing them with these could solve that issue. Some reviews pointed out that while the wires are great, the packaging could use some improvement. Now I get why that would frustrate some buyers, but honestly, if the wires perform well, I'd say the packaging is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have a Harley Dina Super Glide or a Softail and want an affordable option. Skip this one if you're looking for top-notch packaging and aren't comfortable with a simple install. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for premium quality. Product number 3, Creative C10 Spark Plug Wires. The next product is the Creative C Spark Plug Wires, priced at $27.88. The sleek design and high-quality materials caught my eye. If you want reliability and durability for your Harley HD FLT models, this is worth a serious look. These wires are made with a fiberglass core and come with a silicone jacket that's 10 thick, making them high-temperature resistant and tear-proof. Well, the fiberglass insulation helps prevent shorts and ensures that electrical signals make it to the spark plugs without delay. This means a better performance and less chance of stalling at a bad moment. Plus, installation is a breeze since they come pre-cut to fit specific models. However, I've seen some complaints about the price being on the higher side for just a set of wires. Here's the thing, if you ride your Harley regularly, investing in quality parts can save you money in the long run by preventing more serious issues. This is perfect for you if you own a Harley HD FLT model and want a long-lasting solution. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't ride regularly. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next product might fit your needs just right. Product number 4, Seis 8.8 Spark Plug Wires. Next up, we have the Seis 8.8 Spark Plug Wires, priced at $16.28. Honestly, the price is what first caught my attention, but the quality surpassed my expectations. If you're looking for an affordable yet efficient spark plug wire set for your Sportster, this is worth a serious look. These wires are designed specifically for models from 1986 to 2003 and are made of silicone materials that can withstand high temperatures and resist wear. This means they can handle the rigors of your engine's heat without breaking down, ensuring you're getting a reliable spark every time. The pre-crimped ends make installation easy too. Here's why this matters for you. If your bike's been feeling sluggish, this could be a simple fix. Some users mention the wires could be a bit short for certain configurations. Now I'll be real with you, if you have a custom setup or an extended frame, that might be an issue. But for most standard models, they should fit just fine. This is perfect for you if you have an older Sportster and want to save some cash while still getting solid performance. Skip this if you have a custom bike that needs longer wires. Now, if you're looking for the top-end option, our last product might just blow you away. Product number 5, Milwaukee 810 Spark Plug Wires. Finally, we have the Milwaukee 8 Spark Plug Wires priced at $65.63. This is definitely on the more premium side, but the quality speaks for itself. If you own a newer Harley Davidson touring model and want the best performance, these wires are worth every penny. They feature advanced materials that enhance conductivity and heat resistance. This means they can handle the demands of a powerful engine without faltering. Here's why this matters for you. If you're pushing your bike to its limits, you want to ensure your ignition system is firing perfectly every time. However, the price can be a bit steep compared to the others. Some might argue that you can get away with cheaper options. But honestly, if you're looking to maintain peak performance, this investment is justified, especially for high-performance models. This is perfect for you if you want the best spark plug wires available for your Milwaukee 8 touring bike. Skip this if you're on a budget or don't need top-of-the-line performance. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap this up. So we've covered some great choices for spark plug wires for your Harley Davidson. The Tons Performance wires are great for affordability, while the 8-cylinder wires provide solid reliability. The Creative C offers good quality, and the Seis is budget-friendly for older models. Finally, the Milwaukee 8 wires are perfect for that premium performance. Depending on your specific needs and budget, any of these could be the perfect fit for you.